In this video, we will show you how to update the CANtieCAR configurator software, firmware, and Passthru SAE J2534 drivers. Connect the CANtieCAR interface to the PC via USB cable. The folder opens automatically from the hardware. Start the configurator, this CANtieCAR file. You can see the current version of the configurator, which is 3.0.2.6. Go to the About menu and open the website, www.tiecar.net. From the Support menu, download the latest configurator version, currently 3.0.3.2. Extract the downloaded file. Copy it to the main hardware folder, replacing the old one. If the configurator is running, it must be closed. Done. You now have the latest configurator version. To connect to the CANtieCAR hardware, select the COM port and press Search. Here we see the current firmware version, 5.0614. And here is the Passthru version, 2.7412. Again, open www.tiecar.net. Support, download the latest firmware and Passthru version, extract it, and start the update tool. In Settings, click Search to connect to the hardware, go to Update, and press Run. Wait for the update process to complete. After the reflash, the hardware restarts and the folder opens again. Start the configurator. Reconnect to the hardware and verify the latest firmware version is installed. To install the latest Passthru SAE J2534 drivers, click here. Done. Everything is updated to the latest versions.